Today's episode is filmed on a DJI, what's it called? Jonatine?
Osmo Pocket?
Osmo Pocket pussy. Filmed
Whoa!
Whoa, hey!
Whoa, this is a
Filmed
PG-13 channel.
Is it?
You can't be talking like that.
Pussy's okay for PG-13.
Oh my god, so many bleeps are happening here. Bro, look at this sweatshirt you're wearing. Show the camera that.
What is this?
Oh my god.
Holy poop.
Oh,
What's that t-shirt?
oh. Slip angle. Oh.
Look at this. Look at this.
Oh. Oh yes. S.A.
Use my essay.
stands for shit ass. Oh, I mean slip angle.
Shit ass Carol. So today we're doing a bunch of odds and ends in headquarters here. You can see the wheel graveyard in the background.
Actually, why don't we tell them what happened?
What happened?
So we filmed this car over the summertime for the slip angle, and there's a really big dip at one point that I kind of caught into.
I love this car! I love it! I got greedy!
And caught my fender because my fenders were not rolled. I pulled it down, and it's all bacon-y, and I ruined my paint.
Bacon.
And then also,
Split.
my Kumo XS is completely shredded apart during the drift laps. I did drive home like this from Lime Rock at about 50 miles an hour average. It was pretty scary. Didn't know if I was going to die in the process. But that's what kind of prompted me to get the advents for my new street wheels and tires and retire the Yankees as strictly for track use. So just want you guys to appreciate the sacrifice that we made when we filmed these episodes. And now Mr. Driver Ryan's doing his thing.
We're gonna fix this up.
He's gonna make that look as pretty as it's going to look.
Yep. If you guys want to know how, like a step-by-step on how to do fender rolling, give us a comment. We'll do it. Won't we, Quinn?
Hell yeah, buddy. I'm sorry, I'm being a total millennial here.
Oh, come on.
Catching up on my Insta game.
You just usually use a baseball bat, right? That's how you roll fenders? You just jack it up with a baseball bat in there and drop it down?
Then you just slam the car down on it.
I just hammer away with a mallet. I don't know how you guys do it.
Whoa, I just squirted over my shoulder. You see that?
I did.
So the boys helped me. We turned this into a good, 2-footer now, this section. If you're here, it doesn't look bad. If you're up close and personnel, you could see it. But it's as good as it's going to get for now. At least it's not hideous, and I don't have to worry about the fender cutting my pretty new Chinese tires.
Your pretty new wheels.
My new tires, bro. I don't
not
know.
bad.
I don't know where Achilles come from. I think they're Korean or some Asian descent.
Looking good.
I think you can clean that up even more once the paint dries. Once the touch-up paint dries.
Yes.
Maybe wet sand it. Polish it.
Might be a good video to see if we can make that work. But we're all rocking our sweet new slip angle media apparel. If you guys want to get your own, we're offering these. They'll be up on garagequinn.com in the meantime. We're working on slipanglemedia.com, which that site will be launching soon with a whole bunch of awesome offerings on there that we're really, really excited about. And
Many things in the works.
Yeah, not enough time in the day.
not enough time in the day, but yeah, we got a lot that we're working on, so it's all good stuff. Very, very exciting.
Yeah. What else?
I think that's it.
That's it for today.
That's it for today. It's Easter tomorrow. We need to get some sleep. This video probably won't drop till after, so deal with it.
Yeah.
All right, man, bring your hand in here. Come on. No, like to the camera.
Oh, that?
There you go.